Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. Let's get right into this awesome rocker cover install from PRP. First off, we love PRP. They help us out with a lot of stuff for a lot of different builds that we do here. This particular product is going to change the game for a lot of Evo owners out there that have no options for valve covers moving forward. They're all going to become discontinued. This particular cover has a lot of ins and outs for ports, different flow options, has an extremely good baffling system. The cover itself can be customized any way you want it, any type of color, any type of engraving, and now you have something that can replace your old crusty valve cover on your Evo 8 or 9. There will be more products from PRP in the Evo sector. We're actually working with them and developing a lot of new stuff with them, but this cover is the first of many for the Evo community. So we got it done in anodized black. We had some laser engraving done on the front cover. They're fantastic, nice and smooth, and is the cherry on top in any Evo engine bay. As you can see here, we're going through our install process. It's pretty straightforward, not much to it. It's a rocker cover install. The baffle system has to be installed. We go through, we Loctite all the bolts. We make sure they're all marked so we know that we went through them. We don't want anything falling into the engine bay. Take the old one off. We always check the head studs while we're in there just because. Put the new rocker cover on. We'll get the R35 coils in the car. They're actually, you don't need an adapter anymore. They're designed to go directly into the cover itself. You can do sequential or batch fire, and that's kind of it. You can use an orb plug for your oil fill, or they actually, PRP makes a really nice cap that you can buy separately for it also. If you have any particular laser engraving needs or wants, the team will work with you directly. You can get anything you want done on it. Any kind of pictures, designs, emojis, anything you want on there, you can have it done. If you guys are interested in picking up one of these awesome billet rocker covers from PRP, we're going to have a link in the description below. Also with a discount code that's not only good for this, but good for anything site-wide. Once again, guys, thanks for watching this awesome PRP rocker cover install video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.